Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my channel Flower Decor Ideas. Hope you all are doing great. Today's I am going to show you latest demanding, attractive, stylish and beautiful church flower arrangement and decoration ideas of 2024. Flower Decor channel provide latest fashion, new lifestyle event in the world. You will find here new videos about all types of flower arrangement and flower decoration, home flower decoration, church flower arrangement and decoration, birthday flower arrangement and decoration, love flower arrangement, Christmas flower arrangement and decoration, Easter flower arrangement and decoration, and wedding flower decor ideas also. It will be a grateful and appreciated if you just like share videos, subscribe the channel when I upload new videos. So subscriber, let's have a look at the picture. They are fascinating, stylish and beautiful church flower arrangement and decoration. If please enjoy flower arrangement and decoration, the world have been less beautiful place without flower. An artistic flower arrangement can be a part of any guest room, restaurant and front desk. Beautiful flowers, colors and flowers shapes you see in this video. Beautiful colors, red colors, pink colors, white color, different colors of roses, different shapes of roses, red roses and pink roses, white roses, sunflower, tulip, lilies, wisteria, African daisy, and most beautiful, most adorable baby Brit. Baby Brit is the smallest but very beautiful, very stylish, used in best flower arrangement and decoration. Beautiful flower arrangement, line mass style, triangle shapes arrangement, circular shapes arrangement, fan shapes arrangement, right or left shapes arrangement, and most beautiful, most adorable a cabana flower arrangement and decoration.